Alright, so today papanoorin natin yung bagong labas na kanta ng bagong girl group na ito. Ang title ay Tabi by Sonara. Very nice group name. Dumadaan pa yung eroplano. Napakaingay, buwisit. Narinig ba yung eroplano? Sonara is the name. The title of the song is Tabi. Alright, so wala na tayong madaming sasabihin. I'm pretty excited because this is the first one. Let's see it kung ano yung kung malupit ba o hindi. I-rate natin. Kung pangit, edi wala tayong magagawa. Joke lang. So, tingnan natin. Tabi by Sonara. Tabi or Tabi? Hindi ko alam. Sige, G. Bruh! Oh my God! I'm a little biased kasi onesie sila, pero damn, the introduction was nice. Parang may damn, that's good! Okay? Let's do this shit. Ulitin natin. Malupit yun na. Tsaka maganda yung kulay. Ang kulay maganda. Tapos may nakalagay dito, la 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 la. Move like tsunami. Very nice. Tapos yung parang logo ng mata, I like it. Maganda din tong parang tabi na word. Maganda din yung parang art. I like it so far. Okay, so let's listen to the song. Oh. Oh man. Oh.
Alright, let's run it all the way from peak to trough. And this na para magsasip yung roll. Basta nang basakit na laro ng bato. Salubungin ang bunga nito ibabalento. Kaya mo tabi-tabi, ikay madadali. Dala-dala namin ay malaki-laki. Padali, kaya naanan medali.
Dala-dala namin ay malaki-laki. Malaki yung dala nila. Damn. Damn. All right. I love it, man. Ooh, let's go, man. This is good shit.
Namin ay malaki-laki. Padali, kaya naanan medali. Run, run, ari-ari pa. Oh, you evolve and we dance and I'm feeling brand new.
Okay.
With the worries, baby, I know we'll come through. Oh yeah, every step and groove. I know you've been feeling it too. Now move. Hey, fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of town, we're from zero to some A. So raw, we be making our way.
Oh my God. Let me just search for Sonara. Sonara Tabi. Let me just search. Baka meron silang lyrics dito or meron dito.
Zero to some A. So raw, we be making our way.
Kailangan talaga magpakita. Buti na lang talaga nag-endorse ang SB19 ng McDo. Kaya okay lang may McSavers dyan. Kailangan talaga ipakita yung McDo. Guys, alam nyo na ang meaning yan. Lunchtime na pala, oh. Andyan lang yung Gcash natin sa gilid. May Gcash account tayo dyan. Pwede na. Thank you sa search bar. May naglabas na agad. Oy, nawala na. Oy, ano dyan? Nice. Alright, so let's let's see it. Ano yung sabi? Shit, wait! Ba't ang ganda ng pagkasabi? Aba, landas pa parang Sisyphean roll? What is Sisyphean roll? Damn, holy shit. We got deep wait nga. Sisyphean roll? Sisyphean. Wait nga, dito natin i-search para makita natin. Damn, Sonara with the Ano sabi nun? Wow, it's interesting to me, man. Wait nga. Landas na para bang Sisyphean roll. Sisyphean. Roll. Is an endless, laborious, and ultimate futile undertaking. Ah! Ah! May gumagawa ba sa ano niyan? Excuse me. Andito na yung Sonara, man, with these deep, heavy words. Holy shit. That's awesome. Let's go.
Away from peak to trough, landas na para bang Sisyphean roll. Basta nang basakit na laro ng bato, salubungin ang bunga nito ibabalento. Kaya move tabi-tabi, ikay madadali, dala-dala namin ay malaki-laki. Pagdali, kaya na ana medali. Run, run, ari-ari pa. You evolve in a dance and a feeling brand new. With the words, baby, I know we'll come through. Oh yeah, every step and groove. I know you've been feeling it too. Now move. Hey, fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of 10, we're from 0 just to ace.
Oh, man. Hey! Fresh crew. Yeah, we're setting up the pace. Damn! Fresh crew, bago kami, but we're gonna set up the pace. Wow! Man, I love the lyrics, man. It's pretty important to me. The lyricism should be on point, and they're doing it. I love it, and this is just the debut song. It is the debut song, right? Alright, man.
Raw, we be making our way. Hey, fresh crew, yo, we setting up the pace. Out of 10, we're from 0 just to ace. So raw, we be making our way. Yo, here we go. Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi. Yo, better run with. Move like tsunami, move like tsunami. Yo, here we go. Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi. Yo, better run with. Move like tsunami, move like tsunami. Ay, yo, patahan. Bira, hindi tsamba. Ito'y kung bato panalo. Kahit marami ng talo, ako'y nakipanggaling. So nanalaw na alon. Kung mapagsasurugan, mausapan man, isang buhusan lang yan. Sa ito pagsugalan, hindi ko susukuan. Di kailanman mawawalan. Tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman.
Tibok ang ari-arian, tinuturing ko na yaman. So yung puso niya, no? Tibok ang ari-arian. Yun yung, that's what I own. Yung tibok ng puso ko. At yun yung tinuturing kong yaman. Ang maganda pa dito, ang maganda pa sa Sonara is how they sing it. Kung paano nila sinasabi yung kanta or kinakanta ito. Malutong eh, alam mo yun? Parang may grit, may passion. And the rap part, man, let's go.
Turing ko na yaman. Basta tayo magkasama, lahat ng mga pangarap babagaya. Hawakan ang aking kamay nang mawalang imbay.
And the freaking vocals. And the vocals is freaking amazing. What the heck? This is just a 3-minute song but it feels so long. Kasi talagang punong-puno siya, man. Damn. Ang ganda ng boses talaga nila, ha? Wow, this is good. This is good. Alright.
No need to fear, just hold on tight. I'm feeling it, this is our time. Move tabi-tabi.
Tsaka ang angas no, ano, yung parang okay, tabi muna kayo lahat. Nandito lahat ng mga P-pop groups, no, yung mga sikat, yung mga artists. Tabi-tabi muna kayo, nandito na kami. Tabi muna, tabi. Ang angas ng ano niya, visual attack niya. Ayan.
Move like tsunami, move like tsunami.
Damn. So that's it, man. It's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. Very nice. Ay nang ingay talaga ng ano, Cebu Pacific. It's a strong song. Just like how they look, because I've seen them, the seven of them. They look awesome. They look, their aura is immense, man. Sobrang lakas nilang dating nila. And nagmamatch sila dito sa kung anong nakikita natin sa screen. Ganito yung aura nila. Tapos kanta nila is no short of being confident and strong. And I think this is a good debut song as a group, man. Very nice. First song of of Sonara is very nice. So subscribe to Sonara's YouTube channel, search nyo yun. And subscribe to mine as well, no? Very nice, man. Sonara. Thumbs up. Napakagaling.